Hello dear friends, welcome to Vintage Nook, where we explore the beauty of timeless, nostalgic living. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of rustic countryside cottagecore. If you dream of creating a cozy, vintage-inspired home filled with warmth and charm, this video is for you. We'll share 10 beautiful ideas to help you transform your space into a serene cottagecore retreat. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's begin. Incorporate aged wooden furniture to bring warmth and character to your space. Look for distressed finishes, antique cabinets, and farmhouse-style tables that evoke a timeless, rustic charm. These pieces tell a story and add a cozy, lived-in feel to your cottagecore home. Pair your wooden furniture with soft textiles like lace table runners or floral cushions. Mixing different wood tones enhances the nostalgic appeal, making your home feel inviting. Opt for handcrafted or upcycled pieces to create an eco-friendly and uniquely personal touch. Choose a palette inspired by nature, blending soft pastels with earthy hues. Shades of sage green, dusty rose, warm beige, and muted blue create a peaceful atmosphere reminiscent of countryside living. These colors make your space feel airy, welcoming, and effortlessly vintage. Use these tones on walls, furniture, and decor. Pair them with natural wood and floral prints to enhance the cottagecore aesthetic. Layering different shades adds depth, making your home feel cozy and charming. Floral and botanical patterns are essential in cottagecore decor. Incorporate them through wallpaper, curtains, bedding, or hand-painted ceramics. These elements bring a whimsical and romantic countryside feel to any space. Fresh or dried flowers in vintage vases add a natural, effortless beauty to your home. Hanging herb bundles or potted plants also enhance the rustic charm while connecting your space with nature. Layering textiles creates warmth and comfort in your home. Use knitted throws, linen tablecloths, and embroidered cushions to add texture and visual interest. Soft fabrics make your space feel inviting and lived in. Mix different materials like wool, lace, and cotton to achieve a charming rustic look. Opt for handmade or vintage-inspired pieces to keep the aesthetic authentic and timeless. Incorporate antique and thrifted decor to add unique character to your home. Vintage clocks, porcelain teacups, old books, and rustic picture frames create a sense of nostalgia and charm. These items give your space a one-of-a-kind personality. Hunt for treasures at flea markets, thrift stores, or estate sales. Look for pieces with intricate details, aged patina, or handcrafted elements that enhance the rustic cottagecore theme. Open shelving showcases your favorite vintage collections, adding both function and beauty. Display antique dishes, glass jars, woven baskets, and rustic pottery to create an inviting old-world feel. Arrange items thoughtfully, mixing different textures and heights for a balanced look. Open shelves keep essentials accessible while enhancing the cottagecore charm of your home. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting a cozy cottagecore atmosphere. Opt for warm, soft lighting with vintage-style fixtures, such as wrought iron chandeliers, oil lamps, or delicate fairy lights. These elements create a dreamy and peaceful ambience. Use candles or lanterns for an intimate glow. Position lighting near natural elements like wood and plants to enhance the rustic, warm feel of your home. Handmade decor adds a personal and heartfelt touch to your cottagecore home. Try DIY projects like macrame wall hangings, embroidered pillows, or pressed flower frames. These pieces showcase craftsmanship and creativity. Incorporate homemade candles, knitted blankets, or repurposed furniture for a unique, cozy aesthetic. Handmade decor not only enhances charm but also reflects the simplicity and authenticity of cottagecore living. A rustic vintage-style kitchen is a key element of cottagecore design. Opt for open shelving, farmhouse sinks, and wooden countertops to create a warm, nostalgic feel. Display copper cookware, ceramic bowls, and woven baskets for a functional yet decorative touch. Use glass jars for pantry storage and vintage teapots for a timeless charm. Adding checkered linens and floral dishware further enhances the cozy countryside aesthetic. Extend the cottagecore aesthetic to your outdoor space with a charming garden, cozy seating, and rustic details. Create a dreamy retreat with wooden benches, iron garden chairs, and handmade cushions for a relaxing countryside feel. Grow wildflowers, herbs, or climbing roses to bring nature's beauty closer. A vintage birdhouse, lanterns, or a quaint picket fence can enhance the rustic ambience. Your outdoor space should feel like an extension of your peaceful cottage-inspired home. And that's it, friends. These 10 cottagecore ideas will bring warmth, charm, and a touch of nostalgia to your home. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a cozy update from Vintage Nook. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.